If you look at this question, you see here, first question is asking you to calculate the sum of the series. Let me call the sum of the series be S. S is equal to, all right. Maximum number of terms in this AP is 10. In this particular series is 10. It is not an arithmetic progression. So I can write here n is equal to 10, number of terms. Now if you see, this is called the first term, right? This is called the first term of this particular series A1. This entire term is called the second term A2. This entire term is called the third term A3. What needs to be understood here is, now the general term can be written as, for first term it is 1 cube, for second term it is 1 cube plus 2 cube, for third term it is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. For nth term it will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, 3 cube, 3 cube, plus so on up to plus n cube. Same way divided by, denominator will be 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on up to plus n square. And if you see, all the terms which are getting multiplied are odd numbers here. So we can write the odd numbers as 2n plus 1, right? When you put n is equal to 1, answer will be 2 into 1 plus 1, 3. When you put n is equal to 2, the answer will be 2 into 2 plus 1, 5. Matching here. Put n is equal to 3. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7. It is matching. So this is of the form 2n plus 1 times sigma n cube divided by sigma n square. And we have studied this special series expansion in the synopsis part. Sigma n cube is nothing but n square into n plus 1 the whole square divided by 4, whole divided by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Do you get it? 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Your 2n plus 1 will get cancelled, 1n will get cancelled with 1n, 1n plus 1 will get cancelled with 1n plus 1. So you are left with, and 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So we are left with the 3n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Is it not? 3n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Or in other words, an is equal to 3 by 2 multiplied with n square plus n. Is it not? Question is now asking you to calculate the sum up to 10 terms. So Sn will be summation n is equal to 1 to 10, because now the question is wanting you to calculate up to 10 terms, right? S10 up to 10 terms here, n is equal to 10 of what is it? An. So I can say 3 by 2 remains outside because it is not affected by the nth term here. Sigma n is equal to 1 to 10 of n square plus n. Is it not? N square plus n. So I can write this is nothing but 3 divided by 2. Sigma n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 to 10 of n square plus sigma n is equal to 1 to 10 of n. Is it all right? So we can write this is equal to 3 divided by 2 into n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 plus n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Is it okay? So put n is equal to 10 now. Put n is equal to 10. So your answer to the question will be 3 by 2 into 10 into 11 into 21 divided by 6 plus 10 into 11 divided by 2. So 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are. So your answer will be here. So 2 1s are, 2 5s are. Here 2 1s are, 2 5s are. 5 7s are 35, 3 by 2. 35 into 11 is 385 plus 55. So final answer would be like this. 3 divided by 2 multiplied with the 385 plus 55. 380 plus 50 is 430, 440. So what is the answer that we get? So this is nothing but 3 into 220. So answer to the question will be equal to 660. This was a very important question asked in the exam.